Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Let's see what's in Sainsbury. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting your girl. So today I'm in Sainsbury. Well, I'm here to shop and see what is in Sainsbury. It's this Christmas season and they've got lots of things. To be honest, I realized that these people have been shopping since November. Honestly speaking, people set up their tree even before December, but for me, I don't really do that. I just like to do it maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks before Christmas. And yeah, they've got nice stuff here. They've got nice things, to be honest. Yeah, I'm looking for the snow white with a Christmas tree inside. It uses battery, but I can't find it here. Kind of. They've got other type of Christmas stuff here. They're nice too, but I'm looking for that particular one that uses battery. It's so nice. I saw it in my friend's house, something like this, but that one uses battery. This one, there's no battery in it. This one doesn't use battery, and that one, there's something like a Father Christmas inside, and once you press it, the snow start like moving around, and you see things like the Father Christmas is dancing. I love that one, but I couldn't find it here. I guess it's finished. That's how they rush things here. And yes, this chocolate, you know, these people can't do without chocolate. Oh my god. I was also looking for gifts. I'm so bad with gifts. I'm so bad with gifts, to be honest. Variety of chocolate here, black chocolate. Honestly speaking, I don't even know different type of chocolate, but this place in this UK, I'll see different type of chocolate.